Say thank you. Brandon, say thank you to MB. Hi, Scotts daw. Nakakaano siya. Okay, can you sing for Miss MB Butterscotch? Yung Staying Alive. Kanta na. Sing.
He needs the music.
Oh, he needs the music. Ayun na, tapos na yung meme niya. Meme. Oh, di ko ma-drop link ko sis. Okay. May magaling na mag-drop ng link dyan. Sandali. CC Live Reality or Sis MB, paki-drop nyo nga yung link ni CC Aliyah. May magagaling dyan. Ako din, hindi ako magaling sa ano, pag ang hina-hina ko because, you know, I have carpal tunnel. Nahirapan yung daliri ko. May frozen pa. Ayun ako. Yeah, thank you so much Miss MB, CC MB. You're welcome. Ayan, marami dyan. O, Sis Aliyah. Ayan, Sis Koy. Miss MB Butterscotch, siya yung isa sa mga role singer ni Doc Jarly J. Asan si Doc Jarly? May ano ako doon, may assistant ako doon, si MM. si Mildred Morris. Maloko din yon. Pinanood ko kaya yon. Pinanood ko yung video ni Doc Jarly. At ano, yung kaibigan ko, she grilled me. Grinil niya ako. Tostado ako. Tinusta niya ako. So, ayan. So, andito na tayo. Guys, I like shopping here. Yan yung isa sa mga gusto kong dyan. Kasi, okay ang mga ano dyan eh. Mura lang siya. Maraming salamat ulit, Sisi. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sis Adele and MB Butterscotch. Yes, si MB Butterscotch, ano din siya, nanonood din kay nanonood din kay Doc Jarly, pero yung oras kasi namin na dito mag-alauna na, so yun, nahirapan kami. Mindanao ako host sa General Santos City. Ay, galing. Okay, basta ano ka lang dito, Gildo, palagi ka dito, at saka diyan kina MB, si Life Reality, yung mga ano dito, mga nandito, sina Delia, napaka-supportive nila. Summer Rain, Lorna Magday, Angel, lahat po. Kasi kagaya nito, you watch my ngayon, yung live ko. I make sure na manonood ako sa iyo ng live mo or playlist kita. Ilan pa bang kailangan mo? 3,999? Loko lang ha. Loko lang. Ayan. Oh, 2,500 watch hour pa. Connect with Fit by Edit because that's what she needs also. She needs some watch hour. So connect with her. And also please support Big Eye Games, MB Butterscotch husband, and then they will support you also. And if you win 1 week na i-play ka nila, 7 days na i-play ka nila. Yes, see, kapalit ng watch hour. Same thing with you. Are you already monetized, Christine Adeline? So we have a lot of supporters here. If you guys want some watch hour, if like now, like you watch me an hour live, I can watch 2 hours of your video or live.
Yeah.
So we are here.
You here or you still coming?
Talking to my daughter.
I'm still on the way. Is there a wait time?
I
No.
don't know. We ain't went in the restaurant.
Not really.
We don't know. We ain't even went in the restaurant. You sitting there talking. Mouth.
Labas ako ha.
You
Labas
want us
ako.
to go on ahead and get everything?
Dito ako sa labas.
Yeah, that's fine.
Maingay ang aking pamilya. Pamilya Kanoto. Ayan. Naamoy ko na yung pagkain. Sisi, I need money. 2,500. Agoy, dyan na house ni Ali.